Hi children, welcome to our class. Grade 5 Subject Science. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2, the Respiratory System. Session 1, Organs of the Respiratory System. What are the organs of the respiratory system? Today we will learn. Let's start our class. Children, what do living beings need to live? Very good, exactly. All living beings need oxygen to live. Oxygen is supplied to all the organs of the body through the process of respiration. What are the main organs of the respiratory system? Very good. Lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. Let us learn organs of the respiratory system. What are the organs are present in the respiratory system? We will learn. The human respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, another name is trachea, bronchus, lungs, diaphragm. These are the organs of the respiratory system. First, we learn about nose. The process of respiration starts from the nose. We breathe in and breathe out through the nose. The nose is connected to the lungs through the windpipe. The openings of the nose are known as nostrils. The two ends of the nose, these two openings are called nostrils. The inside of the nose is lined with mucus and very small and fine hair. Have you observed fine hair in the nose, children? You can find it. The hair and mucus prevent dirt and dust particles from entering our windpipe along with the air when we inhale. Therefore, it is advised to breathe through the nose, not through the mouth. Next, windpipe. What is the another name of windpipe? Trachea is the another name of windpipe. This is the windpipe. Windpipe is the passage that connects the mouth and nose to the lungs. Trachea splits into two branches called bronchi, left bronchus and right bronchus, which enter into the each lung. Air enters the windpipe and passes through the bronchi to reach the lungs. Lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. They are a pair of spongy balloon-like structures. The lungs take in air and absorb oxygen from it. This oxygen mixes with the blood and is carried to all the parts of the body. The lungs are surrounded by a very thin network of blood capillaries from outside as well as inside. The lungs also help in throwing out carbon dioxide from the body. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular wall below the lungs. Diaphragm present below the lungs. What is the shape of the diaphragm? Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular wall. Diaphragm is a muscle. Diaphragm divides the body into two parts, the chest cavity and the abdomen cavity. Diaphragm is the muscle that works with the lungs to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in of air is called inhalation. Breathe out of air is called exhalation. When we inhale, means when we breathe in, the diaphragm becomes flat, and when we exhale, means breathing out, it becomes dome shaped. Okay children, I hope you understand the topic. Let's check. Practice zone. Fill in the blanks. Diaphragm is a dash wall. Dash are the main organs of the respiratory system. Windpipe is also known as dash. Children, will you fill the blanks? Can you complete the practice zone? These are the answers of practice zone. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscular wall. Lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. Windpipe is also known as trachea. Thank you, my dear children.